Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2017 Ford F250. Easy method. Start by opening the glove box fully and removing the stop tabs to lower it out of the way. Use a flashlight to inspect the filter housing cover and release the clips carefully. Slide the old filter out slowly to avoid spilling debris and note its orientation before preparing the replacement. Begin by detaching the glove box stops so the glove box can hang freely and reveal the housing. Next, locate and unclip the rectangular filter housing cover by pressing the release tabs evenly. Carefully pull the cover free and slide the dirty filter out, keeping it level to prevent debris from falling into the HVAC ducting. Inspect the cavity and vacuum any loose dirt before installing the new filter. Match the airflow arrow on the replacement filter to the arrow on the housing, then slide the filter into place with the pleats oriented correctly. Reinstall the housing cover and press the clips until they click securely, then lift the glove box back and reattach the stops you removed earlier. Turn on the fan and run the AC or heat briefly to confirm smooth airflow and that there are no unusual sounds or gaps around the glove box.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.